Hello again. So in my last session, I finished kind of parsing the column definition for Markdown, like values and samples. And now I need to have some data to test my decision uh, table against, right? And there's no better way to provide arbitrary data to arbitrary definitions than just JSON. So I went ahead and just copy pasted from my previous test project's sardi um, dependency, and it's already um, loaded. I actually ran the cargo thing, and sardi got installed. And yeah, I'm going to literally just copy paste stuff that I already know worked for me at some point. Um, yep. So I'm going to import sardi JSON and just see if it can read like data that I define for my sample. Okay, where I want to do this is probably around here. I'm going to just create a local variable first and then export it to a JSON file. I just want something to work. Okay. All right. Bam. So JSON str is just a string that the parser, the parser is gonna read it, and we're gonna extract values from it. So JSON str from string JSON str, yeah, that one. So that should give us a structure to work with. Let's print it as always. JSON is this, and I guess I should print it res. So this should at least give us some values to work with. Deserialize required. What? Cannot infer type of parameter t. Yeah, I need just a value. Okay, okay. I guess it's trying to associate data with some struct that I don't have defined, and this is just arbitrary data. Uh, whoop. So maybe if I say that I just want to have a value of some sort, then it's gonna compile and yeah, it's gonna know the type. Crap. So I guess it needs unwrap. So again, there's some. All right, I need to unwrap it so that I get value, not a result for this. to work. I mean, I know the data is going to be correct because I'm hard coding that. So I can just unwrap and know for a fact that it's not gonna fail. There we go. JSON object is this. It's an array. Nice. So what I actually need to have in the sample thing that we got here is so we want to have a season and it should be in this. Season is going to be fall. So I'm going to emulate the case where we are passing the first row, like we want to get the result of space ribs in here. So we are providing that data, and this is 8. All right. Cool, formatter liked it, and this also likes it. Wait, I think I did something. I was showing you what I want to get, and I input space rips instead of guest count. Yeah. Oh, it remembers it. Okay. Guest count. All right. So there was a copy paste issue, and it's a very common mistake I make. So JSON object is this. All right. So we've got our res. Let's maybe rename it to inputs. No. This is going to be a context. Camunda uses context extensively, like a word context extensively to specify in which area we work, right? So the context of some business logic, and yeah. So I'm gonna call it context as well. So now we're here where we iterate inputs and we get this data in here. So the fall is this. The fall is taken from the table. All right. So let's actually comment out this code. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm not using all the Vim bindings. I'm still using arrows. So the column is, let's column name, var name is going to be devs inputs. Dev inputs the index. and it actually we store a tuple in there, and var type is a second parameter. All right, does it still compile? It's going to yell that there's something not used, right? All right, I need to borrow it, but not own it. So that, consider borrowing. So yeah, this helper is actually handy. Does it compile? Yes, it does. All right, so we've got our variable name. So next, I believe we need a function to extract a variable. We need to extract a variable value from the context by name. All right, so fn get context var. It is going to accept a string. So name string, and for now, yeah, let's just have that. Oh yeah, and we need to pass in the context of a type. Yeah, we can copy that. All right, yanked, and paste. All right, I've had similar logic somewhere in that same test stuff I did. I was extracting a JSON value by name, and I had a split, but that's irrelevant. So I guess JSON value. So this function returned the JSON value as well, just by different name. So again, the best reusable code is the one that you can copy paste, and in this case it's just a logic thing that I'm interested in, right? So I want to extract a representation of a value that I can like make sense of. So what did I have in here? So there was a data. It was a JSON value. I'm not sure I will need this. Oh, I've had the issue before. I need to pass in. Come on. So I need to pass a reference to a string and the reference to a value, and then where is the data? What the hell was I doing in here? Oh, I was going deeper and deeper, and V was the name. So I was just storing. Oh, I can reference stuff. All right. So I'm not going to implement deep extraction, although this code does look like I can just copy paste it. I mean, I already have it. Like this code is from way before. It was literally my first thing I tried to do in Rust. And I failed miserably over there. And the code is not that good. Yeah, I was thinking about, I was thinking that I would make something better, but why would I need to do that? Val. So this is a name, deep name. So this is a deep variable. So yeah, I'm not sure why I called it like this. So remove that. Delete word name. So yeah, I am going to support like going deep into the object of a JSON that I am trying to uh, extract. So I'm literally going to traverse object deep inside. Yeah, why not? But I'm not going to go deep into arrays. All right. Apparently this is here. Data. There's no thing as data, but so this is supposed to be a context. All right. I might refactor it later, but yeah, why the hell not use it here? All right, will it even compile? Ah, shit. Oh yeah, I didn't alias the name. This is why it doesn't know what I'm trying to get over here. So just paste whatever it can now and delete that and um, yeah, paste it here. Oh crap. Well, maybe it's a good idea to already um, use this, but I already use it like screw it. Let's see if it works like this. Uh, Bam. Oh come on line 70, there's something wrong. Um, 70 GG. Oh yeah, copy pasted way too much. Formatted, nice. And it compiles. So this is nice. At least it compiles. So over here, I know the name I want to extract. So let val equal to get context var name context. All right, and of course, like always, print line var value. Whoops, pretty print val. I wonder if it works. Shit. Oh yeah, I need to borrow it. So yeah, just borrow it, and I guess it's going to yell the same about the name. No? Oh, it's already a borrow. Yeah, it's gonna work now. Save. All right, so we at least have our references. Value, string, fall. Oh yeah, so since there's several lines in the table, I output the same stuff in here. So technically, let's comment this out. I need to check if the first, if the value, like a val, is equal to the stuff we get from table. Let's try to have a match. Did I have a match in here? Yeah. Because I don't really remember the syntax, because I've done it quite a while ago. Match val. If it's a JSON value string, table, no, column string, yeah, maybe like this. Whoa, why is it frozen? Let's not print it. I guess the result of a match should be a boolean. Let is yuck, and it's a bool. Yeah, it's a boolean. If it's finding a string, then this is a yeah, let's call it a true. there's more stuff I will need to do with string, because I am passing strings into a column, with not apostrophes, because it's not a variable inside the table. It's a different subject, but yeah, it's actually a string wrapped in apostrophes. So this is going to be this, and in case if it's not, so we don't care. Oh no, wait, let's include the number processing. So if it's a number, column number. Oh, yeah, let's write in the proper syntax. So this is going to be true as well. All right. So this is this, and so I am going to end on this soon. Print line. Boom. Result and is ec. So this should be sufficient enough. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. I forgot to put a semicolon, right? And the formatter was satisfied and formatted my code for me. Whoop. Why is it complaining? Oh yeah, so Rust wants match to be exhaustive and cover all the cases, and I'm going to pass a whatever, so I don't care about what actually went in, but in this case it's just going to be false. And the formatter is satisfied, and the thing is, yeah, working. So I can actually check for number equality right now, because there's no extra work that I need to do for it. So I already know that column number is this, that I'm getting from the JSON. So I need to check if column number equals to yeah, but I need to parse the thing. Actually, all right, screw it. So I will need to parse string from the table, which I interpret as number, to number, uh, probably float 64. But for the time being, since I don't want to mess with string conversions, I will just compare it to 5. And since this is 8 here, oh no, wait, since I pass number 8 in the JSON, this is not going to be true, and it's gonna return me some false here, right? Right. At least this is going to be a good start, and I will have to do some work off screen. What is going on? It's not surrounded by a body. Do I need to just return like this? Expected struct. Found integer. Column number. Why is it like this? It is a number. So value is a number. Is it echo? I actually have no clue. Maybe like this. Expected certain JSON number found floating point. JSON value number apparently is not what I thought it was. JSON value Rust F64. Is there an example? F64, X64, F64. Maybe if I create a temporary. All right, let temp n of this to equal 5, and temp n. So do I need to unwrap it? How do I actually unwrap it? I'm not sure. Get value. Is it the same? Get a unwrap. Is there a match somewhere? Yeah, I'm gonna try and unwrap it. I'm not sure why is it like this, but method not found on sardi number. Well, there you go. Hmm. Match. Did I have something similar in my thing? So there's this. And I thought I could just copy paste stuff and it would work, but S64 could be, but it doesn't make much sense actually, because I'm technically... Alright, screw it, let's try it. I mean, this is the way to learn. S... Oh, so it does work like this. Well, alright, you live, you learn. So it needs to... Oh yeah, so the value could not be... probably could be something else. There might be a none in there. Conversion could be like error prone, or how would you say that? Some. So I can at least check it if there's some value in there with value with some. All right, now it works. Now it works. So we see a false in there because 8 is not equal to temporary crap things that we have in here, which is 5, right? And if I input 8, then all these values should turn to true. Nice. So we've got basic number checking against the table. So that's the first pass of checks. But I will need to briefly investigate how to convert a string into a number, but that's a bit later. Let's do it later, but in the meantime, still, I ask you to subscribe, and I guess there's some bell, whatever, just click it. Thank you so much, and see you next time.